Hello friends, today I want to talk about AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is a chronic and life-threatening condition caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. HIV attacks and weakens the body's immune system, making it difficult to fight off infections and diseases. Causes and risk factors. 1. HIV infection. AIDS is caused by the HIV virus, which is primarily spread through unprotected sex, vaginal, anal, or oral, with an infected person, sharing needles or syringes contaminated with HIV, mother-to-child transmission during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. 2. Weakened immune system. Certain medical conditions, such as cancer, or treatments, like chemotherapy, can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of developing AIDS. Symptoms. The symptoms of AIDS can vary depending on the severity of the infection and the presence of opportunistic infections. Common symptoms include recurring fevers, chronic fatigue, weight loss, swollen lymph nodes, diarrhea, skin rashes, mouth sores. Stages of HIV infection. Acute HIV infection. The initial stage of HIV infection, characterized by flu-like symptoms. Chronic HIV infection. A long-term infection where the virus is present in the body, but symptoms may not be apparent. AIDS. The advanced stage of HIV infection, where the immune system is severely weakened, and opportunistic infections occur. Diagnosis and treatment. HIV testing. Blood tests can detect the presence of HIV antibodies or antigens. Antiretroviral therapy. A combination of medications that suppress the virus, slowing disease progression. Opportunistic infection treatment. Medications to treat infections that take advantage of a weakened immune system. Prevention. Safe sex practices, using condoms, dental dams, or other barrier methods. Needle exchange programs, access to clean needles and syringes. Pre-exposure prophylaxis, medication for HIV-negative individuals to prevent infection. Post-exposure prophylaxis, emergency medication for individuals exposed to HIV.